This is Jim, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. I hope you enjoyed the video that I'm putting together today, and I know I had fun making the project, so hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and stick around and watch the video. Okay, I don't know how many of you got junk piles, but I sure got one. And I think you have seen a while back that I had a lot of these aluminum blocks. I got a quandary here. I've got a new tool to sharpen my chainsaw with when I got to cut limbs. It's a little cheap Harbor Freight chainsaw sharpener. These work really good. They're designed to be bolted to the bench, but obviously I'm not going to cut wood permanently. I just need something quick. So I was beating around in my head. So my plan is to make me a mount here that I could put this on my table mount that I've already got here that you've seen me use my drill from a bandsaw, my tapping machine, so I can screw it right here to my workbench. So that's just the proof of concept. Now we got to make it work. So we're going to be working on that. I'm going to do this as simple as possible. Simple, quick, and dirty. This has got to be precise. The only thing's got to be precise is the hole pattern to my, excuse me, just a second. The only thing's got to be precise here. It's got to be my hole pattern to my, for this to hit the plate. I kind of take a slight change and I'm going to move it to the rear. So we're not trying to get fancy here. This isn't something that's got to be intense or thousandths even. This as long as we get a little bit of something to give us an idea of where zero's at. So I know that this ain't precision, but this is just a spacer block that's going on my workbench. I don't have to get in here and it's just easier to use the mill to lay this kind of stuff out because I have a DRO. Excuse my head. All I'm doing is just looking here to touch the drill. Again, all I want, there you go. As long as I got a scratch in the side, that's cool. I forgot. Sit there talking, I forgot. I got to redo this side. Got to hit Y0, then I'm going to do a half. I don't forgot where I did it or not. So we'll get over here and go half Y, then just crank it to 0. Then we have our 0 across that way. All right. Sanity check, and it looks pretty much there. Within 4/10, I'm not going to sweat it. And then I'm going to do the other end the same way. Then we're going to lay this thing out. I'll bring you back. Okie dokie. Now what we've done here, got to see what my drill's set at. My mill machine's in high gear, I'm thinking, yep. I'm set at 600 RPM. I'm not even doing the center. This is a 5/16. Should be a clearance hole for a 1/4. Let me make sure. We'll deburr this in a second. This is okay, that's the first hole. Now I gotta go back and figure my center distances here, and we'll be right back with you. I tell you what, I got an idea. I'll bring you right back. So basically what I've done is done this math, and it's a little over 6.5 inches to center. So we're going to drill this hole, and that'll give us our center distance. Let's go see if this works here in a minute. I'll bring you back. I just took and laid these lines out by scribing them on this like this, and just drill 2 holes. We'll see if this bolts down, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, I got Chemifund. Mic's on. that's the completed project. That's kind of what I wanted. This way it's bolted to the table. I just used my saw ones. I can just reach down here and it ain't tightened them yet. And see, that's good and firm. That'll set right on my workbench and it won't take up space. Then I can just store it. So that's my look. And I'm using my regular table mount that I've already got on my workbench. Now, I know one thing. I'm gonna invest in me a 12-inch set of calipers. I don't use them, or this is 8s, I think. Those are Harbor Freights. I ain't liking them. So I might have to get me a set, but I'll have to check out my friends on Amazon or something like that. Maybe Shaw's or somebody, and order me a set of good 12 digitals, 8. Or maybe a good set of digital. Look, see if I can find me a good one. But beside the point, this is done now, so this can go into storage. I'll just probably put it up on the shelf till I need it, which won't be very often. And but that's another quick and dirty, and that's a simple one. I had that piece of material right there. That worked out really, really good for me. So till the next project, hang in there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it for you. This again, a quick thanks to all the folks who subscribe and comment on my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit the little subscribe button there, below the video. Again, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next video.